Snapchat tutorial for beginners. So if you want to use Snapchat, then the first thing you need to do is check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store and go with the search. Under search, you need to search for Snapchat. Once you search for Snapchat, now here you will have the application. So if you've not installed yet and if you want to use Snapchat, then you just need to simply go and install the application first. So you will have the install button. Tap on install and then you need to install the application. Once you've installed, you can simply go with open, which is on the right side, and then open the application. And if you don't have an account, then you can simply create an account by going to sign up, which is on the upper left, and then tap on continue, and you can tap on allow and enter your name. You will have 5 steps to create your account. Enter your name, tap on continue, enter your date of birth, tap on continue, and then go with your username. So if you want to choose another username, like the username which you have here on the screen is generated by Snapchat, but if you don't like that username, then you can simply tap on change username, and then you can change your username and you can continue with another username. Tap on continue and you need to set a password. Once you set a password, on the next step it will ask you for your information like your email or mobile number to verify your account. So once you verify, your account will be created. And once your account is created, you can go with the login option and you can log into your account. Once you've logged in, now you'll get this kind of interface, right? So you can go with the upper right, which has that contacts option, and from here you can simply add your friends. You can go with your contacts and then tap on add, which is on the right side, and once you tap on add, you will send the request to your friends, and if they accept your request, then you will be friends. Or you can simply go with invite your friends, and then you can invite your contacts to Snapchat. And once you have your friends, now you can go with the chat icon, which is on the bottom left. So the first thing on the bottom left is the location. So if you want to allow the location, then simply tap on allow, and then you'll be able to see the location of other people, and other people will also be able to see or have your location. And the second option is chats. If you go with chats, then here you will have all of your friends. So you will be able to chat with your friends or send snaps, or you can receive the snaps. And the third option is your camera, from where you will shoot or take snaps. And then the fourth one is the stories. So from here you'll be able to see the stories of your friends and the stories of the one that you're following, and you can also discover something. And if you go with the last option, then here you will have the reels. So you can simply scroll and then you can watch the reels. So if you want to send snap, then you can simply go with the camera icon, and you can simply take a snap by using these filters. So you can simply choose any filter that you would like and then take a snap and then go with send, which is on the bottom right, and send that to your friends. You can simply choose any person that you would like to send. And you can go with the upper left, which has that profile option, and here it will take you to the profile. So if you've not created your public profile, then you will have new public profile. You can simply tap on your public profile, and then you'll be able to create your public profile if you've not created. And if you go with the upper right, you will have the settings option. You can go with settings, and here you will have all of the settings that you want to do on your Snapchat. So that's how you can use your Snapchat, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.